what changes did Google talk about? What changes can you expect as far as marketing your business on Google is concerned moving forward? Number one of the things that stood out to me when I was watching the recap is number one, AI. AI is not going anywhere. In fact, more and more people are using AI than ever before. So you have to figure out how to incorporate AI into your marketing strategy. And specifically, this is what the CEO of Google says.
Our Gemini models are a big reason more people are using our products and why they are using our products more. It all starts with search, which is bringing the benefits of generative AI to more people than any other product in the world. AI Overviews now has over 2.5 billion monthly users. And AI mode has been a revelation, our biggest upgrade to search ever. People love it. In just a year, it's already surpassed 1 billion monthly users. When people use our AI-powered features in search, they use search more. I love how search has become less about individual queries and feels more like an ongoing conversation, giving you deeper insights and connecting you with the vastness of the web. Another place we've been rapidly innovating is in the Gemini app. Last year at I/O, the Gemini app had 400 million monthly active users. Today, we have surpassed 900 million, more than doubling in a year. In that same time, daily requests have grown over 7 times. It's incredible growth. We've been adding a lot of unique features like personal intelligence.
What that means is that now AI, and specifically not just AI, AEO, which means answer engine optimization, and GEO, which means generative engine optimization, have to be part of your SEO strategy or have to be a part of your visibility plan. Because let's do this practically. It used to be that when someone is looking for something, let's say you're a target customer, when they want to buy something, they come to Google, they type in the thing that they want to find, and then Google generates a list of websites where that answers the question that they're looking for or that provides the product or the service that they're looking for. These days, that has completely changed, and it has changed because of AI. So let's imagine someone is looking for air fryer for a small family, right? Someone has come here looking for an air fryer for a small family. The first thing that they'll be met with is an AI overview. When your target customers come into Google, enter keywords, and then Google generates an AI overview. That is AEO, answer engine optimization, and it has to be a part of your strategy because AI has changed the way people discover products and services and brands and organizations online. So, in order for you to succeed moving forward, as far as marketing your business on Google is concerned, or as far as doing SEO for your business or your brand or your online shop or your website is concerned, AEO has to be a part of your strategy. You have to figure out how to ensure that Google AI provides you as the answer, provides your brand, your business, your website as an answer in an AI overview. So for here, like for instance, where I've looked for AI fryer for a small family, if you sell air fryers, you want to be one of the ones that are recommended here. Because when you scroll down, it says shopping locally. If you're shopping from retailers, yeah, in your area, it recommends buying on platforms like Jumia. So if you sell air fryers, if you sell kitchen accessories, you have to figure out a way to make sure that AI is providing you as an answer in the search results, that AI is recommending you, your brand, your products, your services to people in the search results because people are coming to look for the things that you sell. And if you want to be found, you have to make sure that you appear in AI overviews. Now, apart from AEO, people are also using LLMs like ChatGPT to search. If I looked for the very same thing, air fryer for a small family, and I came to ChatGPT, yeah, these days people are not just using Google. They go to LLMs like ChatGPT, and they also use tools like Gemini. They come here and they ask, air fryer for a small family. More and more and more and more and more people are going to be doing that. So you have to make sure that your brand is being provided as an answer. You have to make sure that your brand is appearing in AI overviews moving forward. Very, very, very important. So AEO and GEO have to be a part of your strategy. Here you can even come and say, where can I buy this in Nairobi? You want to be, if you sell air fryers, you want to be in the answers that AI generates. Very, 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 very important that moving forward, you incorporate AEO and GEO in your strategy. AEO, like I've said, AEO means answer engine optimization, and GEO means generative engine optimization. It is when ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude provide answers to people's queries, and more people are doing that according to Google. So moving forward as a business owner, this has to be a part of your strategy. Has to be a part of your strategy if you want to succeed when marketing your business on Google moving forward.